In this video, we're going to walk through the hotkeys for Neptune. So what hotkeys are is it's just keyboard shortcuts that allow you to take actions really quickly inside of Neptune. So we've got a few helpful hotkeys built in to help with the review process. So I'm inside one of my cybertips here. And let's say that I wanted to just quickly glance through all of these thumbnails, but I wanted to see them unblurred and in color. So we can quickly actually do that from this screen by clicking Control B. So that's going to turn off the blur. And then if we want to see them in color, we can click Control G, and that's going to colorize them for us. So if we just wanted to quickly scroll through, take a look at the thumbnails, we can easily do that. I'm going to turn both of those back off for a moment. Now, if we wanted to look at the file itself, so I'm going to click on this file. Let's say I wanted to open this file. We can click the spacebar. That's going to open up the file reviewer for us. And then again from here, if we wanted to unblur, we can click Control B. If we wanted to colorize it, we can click Control G. And the other thing we can do from here is we can assign the category by just pressing the associated key on your keyboard. So let's say this is a category 2. I can press 2 on my keyboard and you can see it's assigned that category. Something else we can do from this screen is quickly scroll through files by pressing the up and down arrow keys. So I'm pressing my up arrow key now. That's my previous file. Pressing the down arrow key to go on to the next file. Let's say I wanted to go on to a new file that I haven't categorized yet. I can press the down arrow key again to get there. So from here, let's say this is a category 3, and I can just move really quickly by using keyboard shortcuts. Something else that we can do here, if we need to rotate the image, so let's say you have an image that's not oriented properly, and you need to rotate it to get a better look at it, you can press the right or left arrow keys, and that's going to rotate the file for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and assign this something random. And I'm just doing all of this by hitting keys on my keyboard. So it makes it really, really fast to kind of go through these as needed. So that's how the hotkeys work inside of Neptune. Thanks for watching.